Good morning, my name is Rafael Franco and today I will be doing my religion summative. So today we did an experiment which was basically taking a survey and seeing what results came up regarding your religious affiliation. And after completing this survey, I found out that I that my responses matched the religion Quaker, actually an Orthodox Quaker, which means that the more extreme branch inside that religion. And I believe I came up across this religion because this group really emphasizes being a pacifist and not seeking conflict or violence in any means. And this came up, however, I had never heard of this religion before, which is quite astonishing. After that, I looked at Jehovah's Witness, which is another religion which was highly rated inside my beliefs. And this religion believes that God is the creator and the supreme being and one cannot question. And they are so extreme with artificial products and technology that they are willing to let a child die instead of giving a blood transfusion. After that, I looked closely at my own religion, which I relate with, which is Roman Catholic. This religion believes God is omnipotent. It really values faith and hope and commitment to the community, and is also reserved to sacred tradition. After looking at these three religions, I started to look at similarities and how these similarities and differences would affect the way an individual gains knowledge through these different religions. Even though the survey matched my beliefs with the Quaker religion, I still consider myself Roman Catholic. So there are many things that might have influenced my religion, my religious beliefs about Roman Catholicism, that might have made me a shift in priorities and end up as a Quaker. I believe that the implications for this issue are outside other knowledge that is added to my beliefs. Even though I'm a Roman Catholic, there are other means through which I gain information. For example, I question after visiting the school, after being in the school I'm in. I have been taught to question, which is actually against traditional religions, and this has made me changed the way I think. Another implication of this issue is how a different religion changes your perspective of the world. Even though these three religions are very similar, they are all traditional and they respect values, they will give us different results. For example, an Orthodox Quaker might prioritize peace over tradition, even though the presidential candidates have different opposing views. Usually, one would believe that any religious sect would support a conservative, a Republican candidate, such as Donald Trump. However, as against someone like Hillary, which is much more liberal. However, this might change, even though Donald Trump is much more traditional, much more conservative, which matches the profile of the religions. Maybe an Orthodox Quaker, which really emphasizes opposing all war, might actually support Hillary Clinton. Now we see that even though the religions are very similar, the priorities inside the religions might change. Actually, I have changed as well. Even though I'm conservative and very traditional, I would never vote Donald Trump because of his violent reactions and violent proposals. In this way, I have looked closely at how, even though I'm a Roman Catholic, my true beliefs, which are very similar with the Quaker, are revealed in the way I look at the presidential elections. I would prefer a candidate like Hillary Clinton, which is pacifist, instead of a violent one.